I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
When the whirlwind hits your home, hit back with the most powerful suction around. A motorised brush bar digs up ground-in dirt. A cleaner head automatically adjusts with flexible cleaning across all floors. Goodbye, whirlwind. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a young fairy who made messes all day. With a poof of her wand, dust plumes would appear. With a wave of her hand, cereal dropped out of thin air. The king and queen of her kingdom won't worry, for the Bissell Air Ram takes care of each mess in a hurry. With speed and agility, this hero saves the day, so our pint-sized pixie can continue to play. A long-lasting battery is always at hand to keep up with the fastest little fairy in the land. Even in spaces as dark as night, our hero carries a light that shines bright. Over hills, under bridges, around corners aplenty. This vacuum is lightweight and so easy to empty. Now our journey has come to an end, and Mess Fairy and Mommy have a new best friend.
And they all lived happily ever after.